Hello there. Okay, so today what I wanted to do is basically open all of the mail that has accumulated in my house over the past umpteen months that we've been in quarantine. I hope that everyone is doing well and safe, and I really just wanted to make a video about you know, relaxing, having a good time. Opening mail is always a good time. So I know that one of my favorite things in the whole universe is getting mail. Like even just like junk mail. Is that really weird? But like I don't even care if it's junk mail. If I have to like throw it away, if it has my name on it and it was in the mailbox, it's mine forever. I'm not a hoarder, but I really like getting stuff with my name on it. So I've ordered a couple of things, but I've also been trying to keep myself in check. You know, I really want to slow down on my fast fashion thing because I really do care about fashion, and I really want fashion to be a part of my channel. So I thought it might be really nice and refreshing to do like a secondhand Depop haul. You know, shopping secondhand is one of the best ways to keep your footprint down on the universe, and I'm here for that. So I got a couple of things off Depop. Most of them are Lazy Oaf. I've really been trying to like broaden my cute but casual kind of style lately. I really wear a Lolita a lot in my free time, so I'm just kind of getting in that mindset of like, heck it, I'm gonna look cute all the time, and I need clothes to reflect that. So without any further ado, I'll just jump on into these bad boys. I think I have 5. Yeah, 5 to open. Yeah, let's try and get that thumbnail. Hey, yeah, none of that's gonna work. That's fine. I think we should start with the one thing that's not Lazy Oaf. Yeah, that makes sense. Heck, let's just jump right in here. This person was really sweet to send it in such a cute box. Like, it looks like it came from a store. Like, this is just like a really cute pastel pink box that you can't tell because it's washing it out. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, yeah, they look totally brand new. And she's like, yeah, I've worn them like twice. But check out these little pink sneaks. That is heckin' cute. It's got like a, ooh, I'm blinding ya. It's got like little pink ruffles, and they're like Velcro, like kids' shoes. Honestly, no shame in buying kids' shoes. I don't know if y'all know this, but like life hack, if you're a women's size 7 in shoes, you can wear a kid's size 5 in sneakers. Just putting that out there. I have a pair of pink Converses that I have absolutely worn to shreds, and I got them for like 20 bucks off of the Converse website whenever they were having like a kids sale or something. And I was like, you know what? The measurements are actually my size. So I like snatched up those suckers and I wear them constantly. So these are some cute little sneaks. I'll have to do like try-ons and stuff. I'm really bad about filming videos and then not filming the try-ons, but you know, it's fine. We'll get to it eventually. I guess this one, because it is, ooh, that's my address. Let's show you the back of it. It's in an Amazon box, but it obviously did not come from Amazon like this, taped up like this bad boy. Let's get into this one. I really like a lot of Lazy Oaf's older pieces. I know that people consider them like part of fast fashion now. I know at one point, somebody correct me, they weren't super fast fashion-y, and then they kind of became super fast fashion-y and cheap. I'm definitely a person that believes in, like, if you really, really like something and you'll wear it a long, long, long time, then there's, like, no shame in buying something brand new. You know, if you absolutely adore it and you love it and you're going to wear it so much and get a full life out of it, that's cool. It's just whenever people constantly buy super cheap, like, fast fashion stuff that is going to break or wear out in a couple of days or in like a single wash, and you know, and it's not worth it at that point. You're hurting the environment, you're hurting your own wallet. I definitely believe that investing in pieces that last longer is the better way to go. You might spend a little bit more money, but you're gonna have a longevity of the clothing item, if that makes sense. Like, it's gonna last you way longer. So I am totally down for that, and investing in pieces that are a little bit more expensive that are gonna last me for a really long time. Okay, so this next piece is Darling, and I've had my eye on it ever since I saw Pixie Locks wear it. Pixie Locks is like one of my idols. She's so cool. Anyway, but yeah, it's like the corduroy Lazy Oaf dress. Eee! Oh my gosh, this is so darling. Oh my. Am I gonna, I'm probably covering the camera. I am going to wear this constantly. Oh my, I love it. I love the colors. I love color blocking. This is my vibe. Like, if I had to pick a piece of clothing, I haven't tried it on yet. Might not fit, might look terrible. If I had to pick a piece of clothing that was like, Annie, this is it. OMG, this is so cute. I'm gonna wash everything and then give you guys a try on at the end of this video. I have to give everything a good wash. But OMG, I don't even care. I know, like, some people's main complaints with this dress is that it wrinkles really bad and it's really hard to get the wrinkles out. I will walk around with wrinkles on my dress and pretend that I am the baddest mother hecker. I don't care about wrinkles. That sounds so bad. But I don't care. I love it so much. This is so me. Look at that oaf. Oh yeah. Oh baby. So cute. I love the little buttons too. That little pink plasticky type button. Eeny, meeny, miny. This colorful one. Yeah, he's having a party. Party. Wow. Check out this bad boy. Gonna be the flyest bumblebee in the hive. Ooh, who is she? They're like plaid. It's not like one of their regular sack dresses, but like, imagine if a sack dress just didn't have sleeves and then that's it. Wow. Oh, it kind of, look at the sunflowers. But it's got pockets. This is so cool. It kind of reminds me of like mod fashion of like the 50s. I don't know if it's the 50s and the 60s, but like this kind of like straight style dress with like the pockets. Maybe I can add a photo somewhere of like what mod is. But I really like mod. I have another dress that I've always kind of referenced as mod. I don't know if it is. But, oh my gosh, the buttons are velvet. Or velveteen. That's gonna be a bee to wash. I hope not. But I bet it is. Wow. She is darling. I'm also really into these tie straps. You know, I didn't realize I wore a tie strapped gingham dress till I opened this. Okay, so anyway, yeah, I really think that on like a casual, more serious day, you know, like those days where your family doesn't want you to wear pastel vomit, I can break this out. I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, I have stuff at school where I kind of have to dress a little bit nicer, and if I wear this and like some black boots, I'll look kind of normal, so, but I'd still feel cute. Alright, so with that, also is this piece of mail, the tiniest by far, so thin, is the accessory to match. Ooh, the lolly. Okay. You can't see that, but I'm very struggling. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it still has the tags. Holy heck. Holy heck. When I bought it, I didn't think it had the tags. Okay. Cool. Maybe she just stuck them back on there. Maybe she kept them. Does anybody else, like, keep tags? Like, from the couple of times that I've bought from, like, brands that do, like, super nice tags like this, I've kept them. And I have, like, this little baby Christmas tree at Christmas time that I use the tags to decorate. Yeah, it's weird. But it's fun because it's a look. Like, look at that pink, cute tag. It's a vibe. Like, they have really, really good branding. Like, you gotta give it to Lazy Oaf on, like, their branding because it's, like, nice. I think it's a nice, thick tag. It's like 3 pieces of cardboard. Unnecessary 3 pieces of cardboard. But it's nice. And I'll keep it. I'll keep it on my little sewing pin board thing. Words are hard. But yeah, this is the little, like, golfer cap. I don't really wear hats a whole lot, but I was like, that's gonna make me wear a hat. If nothing else, this is the thing that would make me wear a hat, because the piece de resistance, anybody that knows me knows that I love junk food and I'm very unhealthy. But it literally says food baby. I don't know if you can see that, but it says food baby, and I just, yeah, I am food baby, and I also have food children. So, darling, absolutely darling. I love this. Okay, very cool, cute little golf hat, caddy hat, whatever those are called. Okay, last box, the big kahuna. I can't really remember what's in this one, but I think it's Lazy Oaf. If not, I'm sorry, and that was the end of the Lazy Oaf portion. Let's just go for it. Let's just yank it to pieces. Oh, that worked better than I thought it would. Okay, I remember now. It's summer now, and I bought like all of these. I guess the plaid one isn't winter, but I bought like long sleeve dresses. I need to quit doing that. I need like my own little theme song for whatever this opening noise is. Do do do. Just the two of us. Okay. This is my favorite style of dress by Lazy Oaf, as I'm sure it is everyone's favorite style of dress by them. It is like their Sally Sack dress style, and it says, oh, sorry, it's a pink dress with blue and red writing that says, "Don't bother." And like, if that's ever a vibe, like, that's the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like, just don't bother. Like, I'm gonna wear this like to every day of college that's left for me, like every other day maybe, so that people don't realize I'm wearing the same outfits constantly. Oh. Don't bother. Yeah, I just can't wait to sit in class and somebody be like, "Do you have the notes?" And I'm just gonna be like, "Don't bother." Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, but yeah, it's really cute. I have one of their other, this one has pockets. Heck me up, fam. So yeah, okay, now I will go wash these items and try them on, and final thoughts, I guess. I don't know. Cool. Hello, it is me from the future. I washed this dress. I wanted to give everything a good washing before I try things on. It's more comfortable and more beautiful than I thought it would be. That was a little dramatic, but like, oh my gosh, I wish I could get tall enough for you to see it. OMG. Slight critique I have a thick neck, so this is tight. I don't know what this accent is, but it's kind of a mess right now in my life, so we're just gonna go with it. Also, for how expensive this dress is, I gave it one wash on delicate in my machine. My machine is rather gentle, and this little bottom bit started unraveling, which is kind of a heckin' bummer. I mean, it's alright, I can fix it, and it's not super duper noticeable, but I think it did it on both pockets. I wonder how the previous person took care of it, cause, like, geez, one wash. But other than that, it's a gem. I've already worn it to work a couple of times, and I love it. And this is it. I just wanted to show you, cause it's so amazing. I feel like my pastel Dr. Phil, send him to the ranch life. Like, send me to the ranch, Dr. Phil, because I'm ready. So, yeah, alright. This is this. Show you the next one. Here is the second one, the Don't Bother dress, which is way bigger and more comfy than I thought it would be. Are you seeing this, my dudes? Not my acne, but are you seeing this fantastic thing on my bod? The third dress, well, I just want to show you this one because it's pretty dope. It feels like you're wearing a blanket, and it has some of the deepest pockets I have ever felt in a dress. They just keep going and going. Anyway, this is this one, and the third one, the checkered one with the little bee vibes. I just wore that one out to a friend's birthday. That was my Lazy OAF Depop Secondhand Brawl haul. I don't know if other past me filmed a outro, but I am Annie. I am on the internet. It's something I've always wanted to do. Like and sub if you like this kind of stuff. I'm gonna do like some thrift flipping, some secondhand stuff, lots of Lolita stuff. I don't want to limit myself because I like doing lots of things. Okay. Alright.